Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get My AI on Snapchat. Open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Go into Chats. Click on My AI Chat. Then tap on your profile icon. Go into Settings. Scroll down to I Need Help. Click on My AI shortcut here. Then tap on How do I access my AI on Snapchat option. It says My AI features are rolling out slowly and may not be available to you just yet. So just wait until you get it in the new Snapchat update. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.